Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the image so OCR can read it reliably. Open the photo, crop tightly around text, and rotate so lines are horizontal. This reduces errors. Make sure lighting and contrast are strong. Use an editing slider if needed. Then pick your tool, a cloud OCR API for volume, desktop software for privacy, or a mobile app for quick scans. Once done, export a PNG or high-quality JPEG, because file format and clarity directly affect recognition accuracy. Now you run OCR and tune settings to improve results. Set the document language, choose an engine optimized for printed or handwritten text, and enable features like DesQ and adaptive thresholding. If your tool exposes DPI, aim for 300 or higher, you can preprocess with sharpen or denoise filters. Start the recognition pass, then inspect confidence scores and flagged lines. If many low-confidence words appear, rerun with different settings, or manually correct the most critical errors. Finish by exporting and validating the text output so it's usable. Save an editable format like TXT, DocX, or a searchable PDF, and keep the original image for reference. You should proofread important paragraphs, fix punctuation and line breaks, and run a find and replace for repeated OCR mistakes. If the text is still poor, try rescanning at higher resolution, switch to a different OCR engine, or transcribe critical sections manually. This single troubleshooting step often saves the most time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.